And indicators must very useful gems cutters is this first icon, gem cutters, the others for baguettes or other shape of cutting. For example, I want to cutting this form, loading your gems. Okay, the dropping is middle if you want to, or with cutting in this form here. Okay, cutting for I teaching that's icons in projects is better teaching if now I teaching is not very useful and very clearly for you. I teaching that's complicated icons in my project is better. Okay, the last unit is render. When you're drawing your object, your project, and it's finished, you can render your project for your customers and clicking on the rare styles. Okay, this is rendering engine. In here, you can changing your resolution, or if I better say, size of your image render. I want HD 9020 in 1080 for example, and I choose your style for if you have choose the fast is not have a very good quality. The slow is have a better quality. For example, I choose the follow. Okay, and then choose our object without stone because I want to applying the material, the yellow gold material. Clicking on that, choosing and clicking on that. Okay, and then showing our stones, choosing and going to stones material library gem. I choose this blue stone, the green, and then okay. And if you want to have a plan or excuse me, ground plan, click on that and then going to, for example, this and choose the grade mode, clicking on ground and applying. When finish your work, you can and set all settings, clicking on render active view, the view, and now we have on it. Click on render, and then the software rendering our project, for example. Okay, our rendering is finished. We have this rendering our project, and you can save with this icon, typing in a name and then save. Okay, the other icons, these icons about I teaching in my lessons, these icons, for example, you want to drawing a line in an end or in a first in a star, clicking on this icon. Yes, I am on it. Okay, or if a near icon in here, you can point on this line or curves, not different. Or you have, for example, different shape. For example, circle. You want to choose the center of this circle, and you clicking on that center. Okay, center and center on that. Okay, center the circle to center this. For example, rectangle, and you want to quad, draw a curve on quad. Okay, and other things. If you want to teach about that, contact us. always when you loading and opening this software, this icon is planner. Click on it and on it. We have the layers. If you want to change this color layer to this color, clicking on this curve, for example, and clicking on this play icon on this front of this color, and you have the blue. And for easy drawing, you can off this color and we work on it. Okay, and they are the project. You can saving fast your project in here. For example, I want it, okay, anywhere I can clicking on that and we have this. And we have the icons on here. I think I teaching that, for example, viewing and seeing this around this. Okay, click on that, other things. Okay, in the next lesson we are going to drawing our project, and I putting my daily projects on the Instagram and the YouTube. It's a complete movie. I put the complete movie on YouTube, and half or most percent of our video in Instagram, not completely on my movies in Instagram, my completely movie about the my project, drawing project, I put it on YouTube. Please subscribe and support us and try putting our project weekly or daily on YouTube. And if you have any problem or anything about the jewelry design, contact us in Instagram or other ways. We put the ways on the YouTube, and you can contact us to I solve your problems. Thanks for your watching.